Tesla expanding 4,680 EV battery cell facility on Kato Road. According to details from recent filings discovered by Teslarati, Tesla has already started the expansion project at its Kato Road facility, near the Fremont factory. The U.S. EV maker has been using the building on Kato Road as a pilot line to develop and produce its proprietary 4,680 EV battery cells. Tesla hasn't kept the Kato Road facility a secret. In fact, it has kept us apprised of the progress of pilot production and has been stockpiling its new 4,680 battery cells for some time now. The automaker has also used the building for research, as well as other battery-related pursuits. While the materials lab at Kato Road has been subject to ongoing upgrades, Tesla just officially filed for revisions to the expansion project at the facility in April 2023. Teslarati says Tesla first filed a permit to expand the materials lab way back in July 2021. And has been submitting additional paperwork and performing updates ever since. However, the most recent filings suggest Tesla is ready to move forward with actual expansion efforts. With the Tesla Cybertruck on the way this year, different Model 3 and Model Y trims becoming available, and the potential for a refreshed Model 3, it makes sense that it could be time for Tesla to ramp up battery cell production. Tesla shared its proprietary 4,680 battery cells and future plans back in 2020 at its official Battery Day event, though it noted that it was something that wasn't going to come into play on a significant level for a few years. The cells are said to have higher energy density, longer life, and other advantages over the other cell formats Tesla currently uses in most of its vehicles. Source: reposted and summarized from Stephen Loveday at Inside EVS.